How to remove leave a note in Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to remove leave a note in Instagram. To get things started, let's open Instagram. And leave a note is basically that feature that lets you see everyone's thoughts, or you can even share your own thoughts with this feature as well. To go there, all you have to do is from the home screen, tap on that message icon at your right top corner of the page, and that should bring you to your DMs. As you can see on top of your messages, there are notes right at the top. We have my note or your note and my friend's notes. Now, if you want to delete or remove them, let's first begin by showing you how to delete your own notes. To do that, just simply tap on your note and you should see this option, delete note at the bottom of the page. So tap on that and notice how my notes disappeared and it now just changed to a plus sign, which basically means I can now add a new note on my Instagram. Now, as for your friends, if you don't really want to see their notes, all you have to do, well, you actually have two options on this one. So let me first show you your first option, and that is to visit your friend's profile. So just basically tap or long press their profile here, and then tap on view profile. So from here, you should see following. All you have to do is tap on following, tap mute on this pop-up at the bottom of the screen, and then choose what you want to mute. Do you want to mute the posts of this person, stories, or the notes? Now, all you have to do is tap that, but I'm gonna turn that off because I'm gonna show you another option. This one is so much more simpler. So basically, from this page, just long press your friend's profile and then tap on mute notes. Just confirm you'd like to mute the notes of this friends, and that should disappear. You can do that for all of the notes of the friends you don't really want to see. But the thing is, or the only thing is that you cannot really disable this feature. As of the moment, there is no control to just basically turn this off to avoid seeing everyone's notes and even your notes. So the ones that I showed you are the two things that you can do to remove leave a note in Instagram. And if you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.